Welcome to this episode of the Verilog Bench. Today we're going to be looking at the AMBA Family Map. AMBA is not one protocol that does every job. It is a set of related standards that serve different transport, coherency, and system integration roles inside a modern system on chip. The first major branch is memory map transport. AHB and APB remain important in many embedded designs, while AXI handles deeper outstanding traffic and higher throughput. A typical SoC uses more than one of these at once, with bridges connecting the layers. A second branch is streaming transport. AXI stream is useful for data pipelines and accelerators, while ATB serves trace and debug flows. The key point is that memory-mapped and streaming protocols solve different problems, so they coexist rather than compete. For larger coherent systems, the map shifts toward CHI and CXS. These standards target shared memory behavior across many agents, where ordering and visibility matter as much as raw bandwidth. This is the part of the family that serves modern coherent fabrics. Not every AMBA document is a transport protocol. Some documents shape system behavior around power states and traffic intent. Those rules matter because a complete SoC is not only about moving bits. It is also about when, why, and under what policy the traffic moves. The family map also includes narrower interfaces. DTI and LTI serve translation-related domains, while generic flash bus addresses flash-oriented interoperability. These are reminders that AMBA grows by adding fit-for-purpose links when the system problem justifies them. As systems move beyond one die, the AMBA family extends with CHIC2C. That carries coherent communication concepts into chip-to-chip environments and keeps the family relevant in package-scale designs. A practical way to use the family map is to start from semantics. If the task is simple register access, a PB is often the fit. If the task is high-throughput memory traffic, a XI is usually central. If the system needs coherent shared memory, the CHI branch becomes relevant. The family map is really a role map. It explains why many AMBA standards exist at once and why older and newer generations can coexist inside one product. The right choice depends on the workload, the architecture, and the verification burden you're willing to take on. If this family map was useful, like and subscribe to be notified of future videos. The next parts of the series move from this role map into protocol history, version updates, and latest version walkthroughs for different audiences. Right after this, a short glossary will define the main terms used in the video. Here is a short glossary for the core family map terms. AMBA stands for Advanced Microcontroller Bus Architecture. SoC means System on Chip. AHB is Advanced High Performance Bus, and APB is Advanced Peripheral Bus. The next transport terms are AXI, AXI stream, ATB, and CHI. They cover high-throughput memory traffic, streaming payloads, trace transport, and coherent fabrics. In this context, coherent means multiple agents see a consistent shared memory view. CXS is a coherent system link for scalable designs. C2C means chip-to-chip, and DTI means distributed translation interface. Finally, LTI is the link between an I/O device and translation hardware.